As darkness falls upon a quiet neighborhood, a mysterious figure emerges from the shadows. Dressed as the eerie and infamous Momo, this enigmatic intruder sends shivers down your spine with every sinister gesture. As the moon casts an ominous glow, the figure approaches a house, seemingly drawn to the allure of the Ring doorbell camera. With each strange gesture, they leave the homeowner perplexed and disturbed, wondering what dark intentions lie behind this unsettling facade. Who is this mysterious person? Are they merely playing a twisted prank, or is there something far more sinister at play? In this pulse-pounding morning footage, we witness an audacious attempt to breach a home's security. As the sun rises, daring intruders make their move, completely unaware that they are being closely monitored by the vigilant Ring doorbell camera. With the homeowner away, the suspects brazenly approach the property, driven by unknown motives. Their audacity knows no bounds as they attempt to gain unauthorized access. But what they don't realize is that their every move is being captured in high-definition clarity. As the suspense builds, the homeowner, miles away at work, remotely witnesses the unfolding drama in real time. Luckily, the suspects are not able to enter the premises, at which point they leave. But the story doesn't end there. With the Ring doorbell as the ultimate ally, the homeowner springs into action, contacting the authorities to expose the nefarious plot. A high-stakes conversation between the homeowner and the responding police ensues, underscoring the determination to bring these criminals to justice.
Hello, officers. How are you doing, sir? Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk to you through the Ring doorbell.
Are you able to make it here to the house? We have the 2 kids in custody.
You do? Oh my God, I love the Ring doorbell. Yeah, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home, so I'm going to head there now. It'll take probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
In this astonishing clip, a persistent solicitor boldly approaches a homeowner's door, completely disregarding the clear warning sign that discourages any solicitation. As the tension builds, we witness the solicitor's relentless attempt to engage the homeowner, despite the unmistakable message displayed right before their eyes. Will the homeowner succumb to the solicitor's charm, or will they stand their ground and enforce their boundaries?
Hey, what's going on? Can I help you?
Yeah, hey, what's up, man? I just work with Vivint. They got me out here running to promote, you know what Vivint is, right?
No.
Not too?
I don't know.
We just do like the security stuff. Just swinging by about the Brinks. Was that something that you guys had put in?
Yeah, we have Brinks.
Cool. I just work with all the proactive neighbors out here like yourself. Mr. Paul, 2 houses down, is the little orange yard signs. We've just found that a lot of the homes out here like updating to some of the smart home stuff. That's just what I do. I just set up like more of the video surveillance and like some of the smart home. You guys keep the same security. Well, you guys still will have all the security. We just kind of upgrade you.
To be honest, man, I don't like people knocking on my door. And I think my signs on my front door that say no solicitors should keep most people away. And what doesn't, the Bring signs probably keep the rest of everybody else away. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, and it's super good to have this kind of stuff. We've just realized that a lot of the neighbors, like with the Ring cameras like yourself, they like the idea of having a second pair of eyes to go somewhere else around the home for it.
But you get what I'm saying, though? Like, I have literally a sign on my front door that says no solicitors. So
yeah, just stop them, man, to see if we can help you.
Yeah, well, I think if I needed help, I would call you guys, dude. You're literally soliciting me, which...
Yeah, you can always call me that. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. I hope you have a good one.
Prepare to be entertained as we step into the world of YouTuber Miguel Santiago 389. In this intriguing clip, we find ourselves at a front porch where a tenacious salesman is on a mission to sell a product of his. As the tension rises, Miguel stands his ground, becoming the ultimate gatekeeper of his domain. Will he give in to the persuasive charm of the salesman, or will he resist the temptation and keep his porch untainted by the world of solicitors?
After getting so many solicitors coming to our door here in Central Florida, I decided to put the sticker up. But the stickers didn't stop this person from trying to sell me something. I gotta give him credit. He did his best.
Hi, who's that? Hello?
Hey, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, real quick, I just want to stop by and let you know we're doing a big group route here, just because the bugs in this neighborhood are pretty bad. So we're doing a big group race, getting everybody done for about half off. Mainly, everybody's just doing like a lot of the fire ants, and then the spiders. You guys see more of the fire ants, the regular ants.
Did you read that note on the door?
I was going to give you guys a 50% discount if you did buy, or $50 off if you did buy.
You understand that if I come and answer the door, you're going to have to pay me $50 for just answering the door. Read that note right there on the door. What does that note say?
It says that I get $50 per minute, so I was going to try to sell you guys really quick and then take $50 off the total. That way I'd basically be giving you $50.
Yeah, but did you read that note on the door, that sticker? What does it say?
Yeah, so I'm going to sell you guys super quick. You can get all the taken care of with a neighbor. I'll pay you $50 by taking $50 cheaper than theirs.
If I stop what I'm doing and answer the door, you're going to have to give me a free service or $50 in cash.
I'll give you $50 off, so I'll make it $50 cheaper.
No, it's going to have to be free.
I'll do that first one for free.
You don't understand what that sticker says.
Alright, if you guys do change your mind, you want the bugs taken care of with the neighbors, my trucks will be here tomorrow. Just grab one of them then. I'm just called Riz.
There's, at the entrance to the subdivision, there's a big sign there that says no soliciting. Did you read that note? That sign? That sign is put there for a reason. No soliciting.
Yeah, so we do a group right here with most of the neighbors. We do about 25 homes. So I'm visiting them, and then in between houses, I'm filling in empty slots. Again, if you guys are interested, my trucks will be here tomorrow. Just grab one of them then, okay? All right.
You don't get... Oh, my God. Oh, man. Bye.
In this puzzling clip, a seemingly random man approaches the house in broad daylight and knocks on the front door. The suspense builds as we're left wondering, what is the man's intent? What could he possibly want from this unsuspecting homeowner? Is he seeking help, or is there a more sinister motive behind his actions?
What's up?
Hey, may I speak to you on for just 30 seconds?
No.
All right.
Go ahead and talk. He ran in the neighbor's house.
Prepare to have your spirits lifted as we dive into a lighthearted and comical Ring doorbell clip. Not all encounters captured by doorbell cameras are filled with spine-chilling suspense. Some can leave you laughing out loud. The night takes an eerie turn as a Ring doorbell captures a bizarre encounter at a random house. A shirtless man, confined to a wheelchair, emerges from the darkness, his presence casting an unsettling aura over the scene. As the footage unfolds, he begins uttering a mysterious name, as if desperately searching for someone within the confines of the home. The silence of the night amplifies the tension, leaving us questioning the intent behind his late-night visit.
Pop Scully. Pop Scully.
We're not interested.
In this chilling clip, the darkness conceals the identity of a mysterious figure as they creep towards a random house under the cover of night. Their face obscured by an eerie mask or haunting face paint, they exude an aura of otherworldliness. As they draw closer to the property, a haunting silence falls, punctuated only by the unsettling noises they make.
Hey, what you need, man?
In this next clip, the veil of darkness engulfs the neighborhood as vigilant homeowners are abruptly alerted by a trespasser lurking outside their home at the dead of night. As the Ring doorbell camera captures their swift response, the couple's determination shines through as they bravely step outside to confront the mysterious intruder.
Hey! Hey! What's up? What are you doing? Alright, well this private...
In this unsettling clip, the darkness serves as a cloak for mischief as two shadowy figures stealthily approach an unsuspecting car at the dead of night. The eerie ambience heightens the suspense as the CCTV footage unveils their nefarious intentions. With the unsettling knowledge that the car's doors were left unlocked, the brazen intruders waste no time seizing the opportunity. Like silent specters, they slip into the vehicle, their movements shrouded in darkness, and greedily snatch valuables left unattended inside. In this restless clip, a random man materializes on the doorstep of an unsuspecting family, shrouded in the darkness of the witching hour. The perplexed homeowners, awakened from their slumber, find themselves bewildered by the enigmatic stranger who has emerged from the shadows. As the camera pans, a chilling revelation awaits. Behind the mysterious man stands another figure, a mere silhouette in the dimly lit backdrop. Who is this unknown presence lurking in the night, and what could their connection to the Ring doorbell visitor be? Prepare yourself for a hair-raising encounter that defies all reason and logic. In this bone-chilling clip, a shirtless man emerges from the darkness, his face concealed by an eerie plastic bag mask. The eerie night air thickens with tension as he embarks on a disturbing journey of randomly banging on doors in the dead of night. In this puzzling clip, the veil of darkness conceals the intentions of a mysterious woman as she stumbles upon a random house in the dead of night. But all is not as it seems. Her erratic behavior, coupled with her apparent state of intoxication, leaves us questioning her true motives. As the moon casts an eerie glow, witness the moment as this shirtless intruder attempts to breach the sanctity of a home that sleeps, oblivious to the lurking danger just beyond their walls. What drives this enigmatic figure to take such audacious action under the veil of night? Is it the thrill of the forbidden, or does a more sinister motive lie beneath the surface? In this next clip, the cover of darkness becomes the stage for a harrowing encounter. Two men emerge from the depths of the night, their intentions concealed beneath the veil of mystery. With their movements deliberate and calculated, they attempt to breach the security of this silent sanctuary, seeking entry into a world not their own. But fate has a different plan in store. As they near their destination, a sudden twist of fate unveils the presence of a vigilant guardian. A neighbor stands watch outside, unknowingly becoming the last line of defense for the sanctity of the home. Caught in the act, the intruders freeze, their sinister plan derailed by the unforeseen presence of a witness. Panic sets in, and their retreat becomes the only option as they retreat into the darkness from whence they came. In this jaw-dropping clip, a man is jolted awake by a deafening plant explosion that lights up the Texas night sky. As he rushes outside, his face reflects a mix of awe and concern as he witnesses the fiery chaos in the distance. The incredible footage gives us a front-row seat to the raw power of nature and the human reaction to an extraordinary event.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck! That little bad going hell of a boom. Get back in the house. I call 911.
In the dead of night, a mysterious figure approaches a house porch, shrouded in darkness. With furtive movements, he tries to snatch something valuable, but little does he know, he's stepping into a homeowner's trap. In the early light of the morning, a sense of urgency fills the air as three mysterious individuals step out of their car, drawn to the homeowner's property like moths to a flame. With the sun barely rising, they begin to scope out the house, their intentions shrouded in darkness. But fear not. The homeowner is wide awake and alert, ready to defend their sanctuary. As the daring confrontation unfolds, the morning silence is shattered by the homeowner's unwavering resolve. Their bravery sends the intruders packing, their plans foiled by the unexpected resistance. In this next clip, an unexpected intruder approaches an apartment building, shirtless and full of mischief. Little does he know that he has chosen the wrong territory to trespass. But as he attempts to slip inside, he is met with a vigilant force, a fearless homeowner determined to protect his abode.
What are you doing? Back away from my house, now. Get the fuck out.
In this scary footage, captured by a vigilant homeowner's Ring doorbell camera, we witness an enigmatic man cautiously approaching the front door. As the automated voice prompts him to leave a package, the man's demeanor turns to unease, and he hesitates to comply. But his unsettling behavior doesn't end there. Instead of making a hasty retreat, he lingers, a dark cloud of ominous intent shrouding his every move.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Get the fucking house.
In an unforeseen turn of events, the same enigmatic man returns to the scene, just minutes after his initial confrontation with the vigilant homeowner. What dark force compels him to come back? As the Ring doorbell camera captures his eerie reappearance, questions swirl in the air. What is his sinister motive? Why does he persist in haunting this unsuspecting homeowner's abode? In this next eerie clip, a man disguised as a construction worker emerges from the shadows and sets their sights on a random house. With knocking hands and a hidden agenda, this deceptive intruder makes a chilling attempt to gain access to the property. Just when you thought the danger had passed, the relentless imposter strikes again, undeterred by their initial failure. This time, they come prepared to break into the very heart of the home. The fake construction worker returns, bolder than before, with sinister intentions lurking in their shadows. This audacious intruder skillfully managed to navigate the back door of the house and infiltrated the property, shattering the homeowner's sense of security. As they move through the house like a phantom, ransacking valuables and belongings, it becomes clear that this is no ordinary burglar. This cunning criminal knows exactly where to find their prey, leaving no room for doubt that they are well-versed in the art of infiltration. In this spine-chilling clip, the line between safety and danger blurs as a man cunningly disguises himself as a harmless delivery guy from Grubhub. With sinister intent concealed beneath his deceptive appearance, he sets his sights on a seemingly ordinary property. As the Ring doorbell captures the disturbing scene, we are left to ponder the lurking dangers that can come knocking at our doors. The imposter, emboldened by his elaborate ruse, approaches the property with an air of confidence, hoping to exploit any vulnerability he can find. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling journey through a collection of scary, bizarre, and creepy doorbell encounters. I hope these clips have left you both entertained and more cautious about the world around you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to share it with your friends, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel for more spine-tingling content.